My name is Darrell Hodges and I live at Baldrugery, and it's about 50 kilometres north of Parkes. Our enterprise is mainly grazing, so we're grazing cattle and sheep. So we grow our wheat and our barley and our oats, and we graze it with livestock, and then we shut it up about September, and hopefully we get some spring rain which will give us grain that we can harvest, and if we get grain it's a bonus. The machine behind me, it's a John Deere air seeder. The discs actually cut the soil, so it places seed at the correct depth. We can cut down on our seed costs because the seed placement and soil contact's so good. So we use about 50% less seed than a conventional machine. It all germinates the same day. The tractor is also steered by GPS, which runs off satellite. We don't overlap, so it's running between 5 and 10 centimetre accuracy. So overlapping with fertiliser and seed, time, fuel, all the inputs are reduced.